Hi folks, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox a multifunctional printer. So it's branded as Epson. If you see here, Epson branded. So its code name is L3152. So if you see on the top, it will show. So we have different in these versions like 3150 and 3151, and this is the 3152. Like that one, so many are there. So but why I have chosen 3152 means there is a two differences between 315051 to 52. That's Mac or Apple products, whatever may be, the connection issue is resolved in this 52 version, as well as film version also updated. Due to that, it increases the print quality, as well as ink efficiency also increases. It means it will ink waste significantly low, like that. So let's unbox it. So what's inside of this? Before that, I will show what's on the box. So what they have given. So they have giving four boxes also, four color boxes, so to fill our project to our printer. So if you see here, they have given super high capacity ink tank system, high efficiency with extremely low running cost, and 10 to 15 centimeters borderless printing. So it's giving borderless printer also. Create borderless photo printing easily and conveniently. So we can give the photos also, we can print photos, print and scan via Wi-Fi, print from anywhere, anytime, from multiple devices. So we can print from many places or any places. You can print this any document if it's on condition. So that's what they are telling. And it's easy to scan also. The speed of the print will also 10 IPM, that means image per minute, as per the ISO mark they have given. So if you see this tanks filling refills, right, this cost also very low. I will show this. Yeah, this ink tanks is there, right? So these are the very low cost. Only the black one is 300 rupees for in Amazon if I seen, and Flipkart also like that. And yellow color is 449, and like that rest of the colors also 449 only. So if you see, yeah, so those three are like 449, and only left side is 309. If you want 4 at a time, then it's around 1656 cost. If you need only right side 3 colors only, then it's cost around 1347. So it's like combo also we have, they are offering. So let's see what's inside of the product. So I will open it. So let's open it. So again they are giving instructions like we need to remove the two sides, and then only we have to pull out, otherwise don't do like that. Important note is there. And transporting time, if you want to fill any black, yellow, or any tank, right, so you have to press the button only, not to pull out, like we should not do like that. So do not ship open bottles. So we should not carry the open bottles, so it may lead to spill out. So that's very dangerous. So as per their suggestion, we need to remove the sides first, right? We have removed the sides. So if you see what's inside, so they have provided a CD to install in our system. Then we can set up the process. So I will do a setup process in another video. So let's watch the other video also. So I just am giving unboxing only. So in this they have provided the 4 different colors also. So this is the ink tanks. Along with that, they have given a connection to power the printer. So we can remove this. Yeah. So this is the our printer. Along with that, they have provided a connector, USB connector, so we can connect to our system easily. So this is a connector. So we have to take this one to our printer, and this one is to our system. So let's quickly remove this. So this is our printer, lightweight, so which is good. I will show you what's inside of the box, what's outside of the box other than those details. So yeah, so it's telling that the details about this product, and its cost is 15,000 around, it's 14,300 rupees. So they have given a customer toll free number also if you have anything problem. So they have given instructions like internet access is required to install OS X drivers and software. So and some applications and or functions may not be support under Mac OS. So they are telling that using Mac OS, right? So some functions will not be affected, but they have told that was improved. So let's see. So they have given like its capabilities, like it will print and it will copy and scan, and it will have a Wi-Fi connection and rear paper input. At a time we can store 100 pages also in a tray. And Epson Connect, they have providing apps also, so which is used to scan to our system, and email, through email also we can print using that email app. So let's remove this, I will show you. So outside body is nice, the structure is nice. So if you see here, there is so many buttons. So there is a power button and two indications of Wi-Fi, so which device we have connected, like that. So let me put it on high, remove this. Yeah, it's good now. So it's lightweight, if you see. Yeah, this is a Epson brand they have provided. So this is the output of the papers, and here the ink trace. So it's transparent, we can see and we can understand. You see back side they have tray to store. So there is so many options also. So in setup process I will explain everything. So they have given stickers on that. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please like and share the video. If you want more videos like this, please support to our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.